When something becomes famous, there must always be sequels. As a result, the Shiba Inu altcoin needed to follow Dogecoin's moonshot with a rocket ride. However, does it make sense to own a Shiba Inu? In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Shiba Inu and share with you predictions. Shiba Inu is a cryptocurrency that was introduced in August 2020 with the goal of conquering Dogecoin. The Doge Killer moniker was given to Shiba due to its objective. So far, Shiba has primarily relied on the resemblance between the tokens to make money and has remained in second place after Doge. When Doge unexpectedly regained popularity, the value of Shiba surged since the two companies display the Shiba Inu symbol, and investors speculated that Shiba may be the next Doge to rise to prominence. ShibaSwap is a decentralized exchange, DEX, that was just introduced by the Shiba Inu team, where users may trade their Shiba tokens and receive interest on their investments. Shiba Inu was formed by an unidentified individual who went under the fictitious name Ryoshi. It is an ERC20 token on the Ethereum blockchain, which enables the project's designers to build the ShibaSwap DEX and incorporate additional tokens and NFTs into the program's marketplace. Shiba is a cryptocurrency that is based on the Ethereum blockchain. Shiba's maximum supply has been set at 1 quadrillion tokens, which is significantly more than the quantity of most cryptocurrencies. Shiba's price was significantly lower than the prices of most other assets with equal market capitalizations because of the large token size. 50% of the newly minted Shiba were secured into Uniswap, which was created to compensate liquidity providers in Shiba pools on the decentralized exchange, DEX. The remaining half of the funds were delivered straight to Vitalik Buterin, the creative genius who invented the cryptocurrency Ethereum. When Ryoshi set out to burn the tokens, he was expecting that Buterin would not sell them, as doing so would effectively render the Shiba token completely worthless. The value of Buterin's 500 trillion Shiba had risen to billions of dollars by May 10, 2021, far outstripping the value of any other token in his account. Buterin understood that he had the potential to make a significant difference in the world with the money and actually gifted 20% of his Shiba, which equates to 100 trillion Shiba, valued over $1 billion to two charities, each receiving 20% of the total. One of the organizations was not identified, but the other is the India COVID Crypto Relief Fund. This contribution was one of the greatest individual cryptocurrency donations ever made, and it helped to establish Shiba and the cryptocurrency marketplace as a whole as legitimate organizations. While Dogecoin continues to have a substantially greater market capitalization and a number of users, Shiba Inu has the ability to enhance its capabilities. Dogecoin's code is based on Bitcoin's lack of compatibility with blockchain technology. As a result, Doge can only be utilized as a digital currency and an unstable measure of wealth at present time. Shiba can't go farther than Doge can at the moment, but smart contracts on the Ethereum network give the Shiba developers greater choices. The price of SHIB is currently at such a low level that it almost defies the technical analysis. Even penny stocks don't usually trade at these low prices. Shiba Inu coins were trading for 0.00000653 cents. As a result, SHIB heading to 1/100th of the penny would be a great deal. It would also be monumental if it could get to a full cent. Another thing to keep in mind is that, just like a dog following its master, the Shiba Inu price tends to follow the Dogecoin price around. As a result, if you're going to watch on SHIB and/or invest in it, you'll probably want to keep tabs on the Doge's news developments and price movements as well. In any case, we would not be against taking a small fraction of one's account and then putting it into the Shiba Inu cryptocurrency token. You could also purchase 1 million of them for the cost of a fast food dinner. Elon Musk, the billionaire, is famous for joking around sometimes. The major problem is that his jokes also have the power to move the value of assets. For instance, Musk tweeted on June 25 that the Shiba Inu will be given the name Floki. That post on Twitter received over 300,000 likes the very last time I checked. That's all good and fine. This is where things start to get a little unsettling. The price of the SHIB token increased by 25% as a result of the tweet. Musk's influence has not gone unnoticed. nor has it gone uncriticized. For example, about Musk, the former Secretary of Labor, Robert Reich, mentioned that Musk's tweets are having a very serious impact on the stock market. Just another instance of how billionaires can get away with manipulating the markets without being held accountable. To his credit, Musk has even warned cryptocurrency investors to proceed with caution when investing in cryptocurrencies. In the end, however, it is believed that a large number of SHIB traders will not pay attention to this advice. Our point would be that one single tweet has the potential to significantly increase the value of the Shiba Inu coin. As a result, you will want to keep a close watch on the variety of social media feeds, including Musk. While you're at it, you should keep an eye out for any new developments with Coinbase in regards to SHIB. Beginning on June 17, that Shiba Inu token will be accessible for trading on the Coinbase Pro, according to a statement released by Coinbase on June 15. Nevertheless, a day later, the update was added to the blog post. The SHIB coin was delayed in its launch on Coinbase Pro due to technical difficulties, which was a source of frustration. As of the time of this writing, the story is still ongoing. However, the more impactful question is whether the Shiba Inu would be mentioned on the regular Coinbase. There is even a petition being circulated in an attempt to get the SHIB being listed on Coinbase. If this occurs, there will undoubtedly be a massive increase in the value of the token. Last but not least, we would like to emphasize that it's perfectly acceptable to have fun with Shiba Inu as long as the position size tends to be very small. Certainly, SHIB could one day reach the value of a full penny. Just do not invest an excessive amount of your financial resources into it. Otherwise, you may end up finding yourself in financial trouble. To answer the question at the beginning of this video, whether it makes sense to own Shiba Inu, in the end is dependent on the size of one's position and one's risk tolerance. Altcoin investing could be profitable as long as you are not risking everything and are prepared to suffer a complete loss of capital. Even CNBC acknowledged that the altcoins are sometimes referred to as S-coins. Consequently, we shouldn't take such smaller tokens seriously. However, because it is the money of investors that is at stake, we must treat every asset with legitimacy and dignity. We have no way of knowing whether or not this tiny dog-faced coin will turn out to be the ticket to riches. Well, that's it for today. Do you think Shiba Inu can compete against Dogecoin? Please share your thoughts down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to see more amazing videos. As always, thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Cheers!